Hello everyone, it's not a machine gun, it's our washing machine. In this video, I will demonstrate how I fix this washing machine problem. What exactly is a washing machine? It's a marvel of modern engineering design to clean our clothes with remarkable precision and ease. When you load your clothes into the washing machine, the magic begins. The machine fills the drum with water and mixes in detergent, creating a cleansing solution. Here's where agitation comes into play. The drum rotates, causing the clothes to rub against each other in the detergent-infused water, effectively removing dirt and stains. You might have heard of top-loading and front-loading machines. Top-loaders feature a door on the top, while front-loaders have a door on the front. Both have their advantages, with top-loaders typically offering easier access and front-loaders being more energy-efficient and capable of handling larger loads. But what powers this cleaning marvel? Enter the drive motor. Traditional washing machines use belt-driven motors, which transfer power through a belt and pulley system. However, direct drive motors eliminate the need for belts, directly powering the drum. This results in reduced noise, increased efficiency, and improved durability. This washing machine has been in operation since 2005, a robust LG machine. After so many years, it has been badly affected by rust. The bottom portion of the machine is fully damaged by rust, broken into small pieces. Additionally, some screws in the washing machine have fallen due to rust formation in the screw area. Slowly, the machine started wobbling, and the front panel began vibrating, leading to a huge noise like a machine gun. To avoid the noise and vibration, I came up with a small trick. I tied the machine with a rope and placed 2 rubber chapels for cushion effect. The idea worked out very well, and the noise stopped. It was working well, but this solution didn't last for many days. The noise started again. So, I decided to open and check what exactly the issue was and fix it. I disconnected the water and drainage pipe fittings, opened the top cover. I was able to see the inner parts such as the main controller board, drum, electrical wiring, and suspension springs. I removed the controller board carefully from the machine using a screwdriver and detached all wires. Before detaching the wires from the connectors, I took pictures of them, so that I don't make mistakes while reconnecting. After removing the control board, I removed the bottom cover using the screwdriver. Till now, everything went on successfully. Now, I inspected exactly what was making noise in the front panel. I learned that the drum is connected to the door using a good rubber closer, so I didn't try to remove the door. I observed that the main screw fixing the front panel to the body was missing, and the screw hole was totally damaged by rust. The same way down also. The front panel actually fixed with 3 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, apart from that one from the middle, but it is not visible from outside, but it is fixed from inside. I realized fixing a screw from the inside will be very tricky as so many parts. Since many portions are damaged by rust, I didn't want to take a chance of removing the screw from the place. I used a drilling machine and drilled the screw hole a little bigger so that I can fix a bigger screw I have. I was able to fix the screws both up and down. I understood the middle portion doesn't have any screw. I know 100% when it is spinning at 800 RPM, it will vibrate, and the middle portion will create an issue, so I used a drilling machine to drill and fix a metal plate, and I fixed it with screws. I placed the control panel back in place and fixed wires. I fixed the top cover successfully and placed the washing machine in correct level, connected the water inlet and drainage pipe. When I tested the machine by washing some clothes, I found no much sound like before and no vibration. This is how I fixed my old machine with some screws and tools available in my house. It really saved me from buying another machine. In case you find this video interesting and useful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for future such fixes, and share with your friends and family to know fixing issues of home appliances in easy steps. Thank you for watching the video.